Welcome back. You're watching Newsx. I'm Pratap Singh. At least 123 people have been killed in Sri Lanka and over 100 are missing as the country battles torrential rain and floods triggered by Cyclone Ditwah, which is now moving towards South India. Cyclone Ditwah is likely to continue to move northwestwards and reach over southwest Bay of Bengal near North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and adjoining South Andhra coast by the 30th of November. The Indian Meteorological Department has said. Let's take a look at some of the visuals coming in of the devastation this cyclone has caused. Well, this video that you can see on your screens now captures a dramatic scene of severe flooding in a hilly landscape of Sri Lanka amid Cyclone Ditwah. Shot from an elevated point, the visual shows a narrow, debris-choked riverbed that's swollen into a raging torrent of thick, muddy brown water. The floodwaters surge forcefully downstream, carrying branches, sediment and other debris. Flanking the river on both sides are clusters of single-story houses with tiled roofs. The visuals show the kind of impact on the cyclone Cyclone Ditwah. But in these visuals now that we're going to put out for you, you can see the impact of Cyclone Ditwah on the wildlife as well in Sri Lanka. This captivating 17-second video clip shows unlikely alliance between wildlife in crisis. Due to severe flooding, the cub is on top of the elephant as both of them brace the impact of the Cyclone Ditwah. Now we show you a video which captures a dramatic and tense scene of severe flooding in a rural part of Sri Lanka due to Cyclone Ditwah. In the visuals, a group of approximately 10 to 15 people stand closely together on the road facing the flood. The water appears to be surging with immense force, crashing against trees and vegetation on the far side of the flood. The floodwaters are so powerful that they appear to be on the verge of overflowing onto the road. Heartbreaking visuals are emerging from Sri Lanka, where heavy rain caused by Cyclone Ditwah in Sri Lanka have caused wild elephants to be swept away in raging rivers. Heavy rains from the same cyclone have started battering Tamil Nadu coast, including Chennai. With more than 12 inches of rain recorded in the eastern and central regions, footage released by the Sri Lankans Air Force in fact shows stranded residents being rescued from rooftops while floodwaters engulfed homes. Rescue crews in Sri Lanka are airlifting people to safety after Cyclone Ditwah hit the island. Responding swiftly to the emerging humanitarian needs, India has arranged urgent relief assistance to support the ongoing humanitarian assistance and disaster relief efforts for the affected families. Operation Sagar Bandhu is now underway. The relief provided so far includes 4.5 tons of dry rations and 2 tons of fresh rations consisting of staple foods, packaged and ready-to-eat items, dairy and bakery products, beverages and other nutritional essentials to meet urgent household needs. In addition, other essential survival items were also handed over. These supplies were provided from the Indian naval ships and INS Vikrant and INS Udaygiri. They are currently in Sri Lanka. Another visual that we're going to show you from Tamil Nadu depicts a severe flooding where single-story houses with thatched roofs are partially submerged due to the effects of Cyclone Ditwah. Recent heavy rainfall in the Vedaranyam area of Nagapattinam district has severely impacted salt production, with around 9,000 acres of salt pans being affected. Well, fishermen in Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu say they have lost their livelihoods for the past 10 days due to the impact of Cyclone Ditwah and urge the government to provide appropriate compensation due to the effects of Cyclone Ditwah. The sea continues to remain rough in various coastal areas of Nagapattinam district, including Nagaur, Nagapattinam town and Nambiar Nagar. For the past 10 days, fishermen have been unable to venture into the sea because of continuous cyclone warnings. Rain triggered by Cyclone Ditwah, which entered the open sea inching towards Tamil Nadu coast, lashed the coastal areas and the Kaveri Delta districts. The district administration has warned people not to venture out unnecessarily due to the adverse weather conditions of strong gales and heavy downpour. In the visual, we can see severe waterlogging with water even entering homes of people. High tides, strong winds and rainfall have hit the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu as Cyclone Ditwah moves closer. This visual is from Nagaur in Tamil Nadu. Several south coastal and delta districts have experienced torrential downpour since Friday night as this Cyclone Ditwah continues to inch towards Tamil Nadu coast. The Regional Meteorological Centre has retained its forecast of light to moderate rain across many parts of Tamil Nadu.